night I bite my tongue and hold my breath. The decibels I make can wake the dead. Through my commute I'm pooped, but yo, the airbag makes a nice pillow. I guess that I forgot I had to breathe. My floppy airway got the best of me. All through the night I'm sawing logs, till suddenly my breathing pauses. My sat drops down, but then pops up. Hey, intermittently as I'd obstruct, you hear my breath, a rumbling sound, waking people up for miles around. My face turns blue, the pulse shoots up. Hey, my heart has nearly had enough. The wife walked out, there's just no doubt I've got obstructive sleep apnea. Oh crap, we are about to get CPAP. We so